Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I'm Dr. Javed Ali from Department of Pharmaceutics, Faculty of Pharmacy, Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about a module on herbals in cosmetic products under paper cosmetics. The objective of the module is to talk about the historical importance of the herbs, their uses since ancient times, and what are the various herbs which are used in cosmetic industry because of the one or the other properties, and adulteration, which is a very common problem of natural products in industry. Now coming to the history behind the usage of herbals, it is referred to as natural cosmetics also, and they are pharmacologically or biologically active chemical compound which are found in nature and produced by living organisms. But here in the cosmetics, the pharmacological or biologically active chemical compounds are not used for therapeutic purpose, for just because but from the point of view of the cosmetic importance. Herbal cosmetics are formulated using different cosmetic ingredients to form the base in which one or more herbal ingredients are used to cure various skin ailments. And this is not only for curing skin ailments, but also for hair treatment, for hair care products, as sunscreen, as UV protectants, as anti-dandruff and whatnot. Plants are highly used for development of new drug products, for cosmeceuticals, where cosmetics involved with some pharmaceutical agent, and totally for pharmaceutical applications. Furthermore, the natural products can be categorized into prescription, non-prescription drugs, that is non-pharmaceutical type, cosmetic ingredients, which is cosmeceuticals, which include a cosmetic and a pharmaceutical agent, dietary supplement, and many more ways. Asian scripture like Abhijanan, Shakuntalam, and Meghadutam of Kalidas encompasses the reference of cosmetics, namely tilak, kajal, alita, and aguru, that were used to enhance, beautify a woman in the ancient era. Turmeric, saffron, chlorophyll pigment, henna, and indigo were explored by Aryan period for the body decoration purpose. In ancient times, henna was used for dyeing hair and conditioning as well. Coming to the advantages of herbal cosmetics, the major advantage is they are safe to use as compared to other products. For example, if we are using butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene, which are synthetic antioxidants that are used as preservative in lipstick and moisturizer, they can stimulate allergic reactions in the skin. Also, International Agency for Research on Cancer considered BHA as a potent human carcinogen, and hence they are not preferred in the cosmetic products. They have no side effects. Use of synthetic products may cause skin irritation, or it may cause pimple, acne, or block the skin pores, irritate skin, or make the skin dry or extensively oily. For example, one of the widely used preservative, which is paraben, is known to have interference with the hormone function, as they can easily penetrate the skin. Compatible with all skin types, they are also compatible with all skin types. In synthetic cosmetics, coal tar derivative colors are widely used, which is categorized as potent human carcinogen, whereas natural colorant, right, they are more compatible and they are non-carcinogenic. They offer a wide variety of products to choose from, like foundation, eyeshadow, lipstick, etc., available in the market. In addition, these natural products may be made locally in the market or by world famous designer, namely like you have Shilajit, Kalmik, etc., and it fits your budget also. Natural products are not tested on animals in comparison to the synthetic cosmetics, which are to be tested on animals prior to be used on humans to establish their safety and efficacy. However, nowadays there is a lot of restriction on the animal testing usage because of several ethical issues. Herbs which are used in cosmetics. There are large number of herbs which are used in cosmetics. However, some examples taken here. A variety of herbs are naturally available but have different uses in cosmetic formulations, which are used in skin care, hair care, and as antioxidant or fragrances. Few important examples are, for example, for skin care, coconut oil, which is extracted from the fruit or seed of a coconut palm tree, is being used. It is produced by crushing the dried kernels containing 60 to 65% of the oil, which contains significant quantity of glycerides of lower chain fatty acids. It is used as a skin moisturizer and softener as well. Sunflower oil is the second type of oil which is also used for skin care purpose, and it is produced from the seeds of sunflower, and the oil is a non-volatile in nature and having carotenoids, waxes, tocopherol, lecithin. In addition, it possesses smoothing properties and is also considered as non-comedogenic. It is tried and tested oil from generation for formulating the face and body products. In addition, it also is cost effective. Jojoba oil, it is basically the oil which is extracted from the seeds of the desert shrub, and it contains mixture of long chain linear liquid wax esters. It is widely used in cosmetic industry as moisturizer and as a carrier oil for exotic fragrances owing to their ability to easily remove any odor and color. In addition, they are not prone to oxidation and are quite stable. It has been reported that jojoba oil and human sebum are almost similar. It is known that sebum moisturizes and protects the skin and hair. However, the capability is demoted by external agents like pollution, sun radiation, aging process, and chemicals, ultimately resulting in skin and hair drying. To overcome this, jojoba oil may be used that helps to replenish the loss due to skin and hair. The olive oil is the oil which is extracted from the fruits, and it is a fixed oil having tripalmitin, tristearate, triolene, monostearate, tocopherol, and as major constituent. It is a potent fatty acid penetration enhancer and is used in skin and hair conditioner in cosmetics. Aloe vera, widely used, is a herbal plant belonging to family Liliaceae, and it is used in cosmetic industry owing to their property of healing, moisturizing, and softening the skin. The soothing gel can easily be extracted by simply cutting one of the aloe vera leaves. It possesses cleansing action because of the presence of amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, saponin glycosides. Also because of the presence of vitamins like vitamin A, C, E and B, choline, etc., antioxidant effect is also seen. There are a large number of herbal herbs which are being used for anti-aging purpose, and rhodiolarosea is usually known as golden root, and this plant is basically found in cold regions of the world. It is mainly grown in dry sandy ground at high altitudes in Arctic areas of Europe and Asia. Traditional folk medicine makes use of The plant, which is rich in phenolic compounds and known to have antioxidant properties, they usually enhance the work productivity, physical endurance, resistance to high altitude sickness, longevity, and to care for depression, impotence, fatigue, anemia, gastrointestinal ailments, infections, and nervous system disorders. Carrot is also a very well-known vegetable. It is a valuable herb. It is extracted and it is rich in vitamin A besides other essential vitamins. Oil obtained from the carrot seed is explored for their properties like revitalizing, anti-aging, and rejuvenating agent. The bright orange color and the characteristic properties of the carrot are due to presence of beta carotene along with small amount of alpha carotene and gamma carotene. Ginkgo, the leaves and the nuts of Ginkgo biloba is used to treat various medical ailments like high blood pressure, dementia, depression, blood circulation, etc. from thousands of years in Japan and China. Now coming to herbs which are used for dandruff treatment, commonly used herbs in the treatment are neem, henna, amla, bringraj, kapoor, hirda, etc. Henna is obtained from Lavasonia and the henna powder is produced by processing a dry molecule present in the plant known as lawson, which also shows antifungal antibiotic effect. Apart from lawson, other constituents like glucose, gallic acid, mannitol, fats, mucilage, resin, and traces of an alkaloid are also present. An ether and the alcohol soluble constituent is also obtained from leaves known as hennetonic acid and olive oil green resin. Neem is another herb which is used for anti-dandruff treatment. This is commonly treatment for dandruff as it produces antifungal, antibacterial and pain relieving compounds which are known to treat the dandruff. It is also known as margosa, a botanical relative of mahogany belonging to family Meliaceae. Now coming to the herbs which are used for skin protection. The first one is green tea, and this is a tea plant cultivated in Asia from thousands of years, and it contains polyphenolic catechins, in which four are present in majority: epicatechin, EGC, EC3 gallets, and EGCG. They have an antioxidant effect and known to exhibit chemical carcinogenesis. Calendula, Calendula officinalis, possesses tremendous antioxidant property. In addition, it also has anti-inflammatory activity. From the studies, it can be concluded that the plant mainly consists of 1,8-cineol, alpha-theogen, and alpha-pinene, teumerolol, and dihydrotegetone essential oil. Turmeric is another herb which is obtained from underground stands of tropical perennial herb Curcuma longa belonging to the family Gingiberaceae. The powder contained is deep yellow to orange in color, and the plant is known to have wide variety of phytochemicals, naming few dimethoxycurcumin, gingiberine, curcuminol, turmerons, curcumin, etc. The yellow color of turmeric is due to the presence of curcumin, which is later known to have therapeutic effects also. Turmeric is used widely to treat many medical ailments, like it may act as an antiseptic, antioxidant, insect repellent, analgesic, etc. The herbs which are used for the purpose of hair care. Amla is a fruit obtained from a small leafy tree, which is known as Amlica officinalis. It contains high amount of vitamin C and also precious oil extracted from the plant seed and pulp, which is used to treat hair and scalp problems. Shikakai, very well-known herb, medicinal plant grown in the tropical rainforest region of southern Asia. The powder of the plant is tested positive for tannins, alkaloid, saponin, flavonoids, sugars, and anthraquinone glycosides. Fruits of the plant are used for improving the growth of the hairs and washing hairs. Also used as purgative, emetic, and expectorant. Essential oils, which are also obtained from various herbs. The rose oil is mainly from various species of rose, and they are the most preferred flower worldwide because of their immense diversity in plant habitat and floral characteristics. The oil and water obtained from the plant is known to have many therapeutic effects. Oil helps in mind soothing and also healing depression, overcoming stress and nervousness. It is also helpful in wound healing and has skin health properties. Another essential oil, eucalyptus oil, is widely used, and it is obtained from steam distillation of leaves of eucalyptus species, which are known in the world, from which at least 500 produce the essential oils. The oil is useful in the preparation of many pharmaceutical and cosmetic preparation like liniments, inhalants, ointments, etc. It is also used as pharmaceutical flavoring agent. Antioxidants like tamarind, very commonly used herb, which is extensively used in southern part of India. It consists of amino acids, fatty acids, and minerals, and it has unique sweet acidic taste owing to the presence of tartaric acid. And it also contains vitamin B. It is a source of sugar and possesses antioxidant activity because of the presence of high phenolic content. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, it is necessary for hydroxylation of pyrroline, procollagen, and lysine. It improves the changes which are caused by photo damage because of the sunlight and has been used effectively to stimulate collagen repair, thereby removing some of the effect of photoaging on skin, and hence it is a part of number of sunscreen products, anti-aging products, and so on. Vitamin E, major lipophilic antioxidant, which is present in plasma membrane and tissues, and its major role is generally considered to be arrest of chain propagation and lipid peroxidation by scavenging lipid peroxyl radical, hence protecting the cell membrane from destruction, and hence it is also very important constituent of a number of anti-aging preparation which delays aging. The present slide is dealing with adulteration of natural products. Adulteration is a very major area of concern nowadays, not only in cosmetic products but in pharmaceutical formulation also. And because of adulteration, lot of inferior products are coming into market. Adulteration basically talks about the degradation of a substance, which refers to number of conditions that may be intentional, maybe in order to make more money or from the economic point of view, or it may be also accidental. So the industry people have to take a note of it, and they should always go for quantifying qualitatively also in order to identify various adulterants which are being provided to them as raw materials. Usually it is seen in crude drugs, including substitution of original crude drugs partially or fully with other contents that are either free or inferior in therapeutic or chemical properties. And because of these issues, lot of inferiority has came into the cosmetic products. Different methods for adulterations are mentioned, which are as follows. Number one is the substituting inferior commercial variety. So the commercial variety, since they are highly costly, and in order to have make more money, the raw material vendors, they just try to substitute the inferior type of products. For example, to adulterate gingerbread officinalis, which is medicinal ginger species like cassia, etc. are used. And so these inferior varieties are either free from therapeutic or chemical properties, or they do not possess anything in them. The artificially manufacturing the substitute is another type of adulteration which is being practiced. For example, artificial invert sugar is prepared to substitute honey, and there are a lot of media reports also which talks about substitution of honey with invert sugar at a very large scale, just in order to bring the product cost to a lower end in order to maintain their sustainability in the market as such. Substitution by exhausted drug is another type of adulteration which is being done. For example, volatile oils like clove oil, which is highly expensive, they are generally substituted. Also, artificial dyes are used in order to recolor the exhausted plants like saffron and red rose petals. And these different types of herbs which I have mentioned like clove, saffron and red rose, they're all extensively used in order to prepare volatile oil, and these oils are highly costly. So after exhausting the drug with a volatile oil by collecting the oil by different method of collection, these exhausted drugs, they are mixed with the major chunk of the herbs in order to make more money. The another area where adulteration is being done by similar but cheaper natural substance substitution. Just for the sake of making the preparation cheaper or increasing the profit margin, cheaper substances are substituted with the original, although the adulterated product has no desired therapeutic or chemical properties. For example, if we are using olive oil in order to prepare a cosmetic preparation, and this being a costly product is being replaced by some other oil, is going to have no desired elegance, no desired usability and effectiveness for the consumer as such. Addition of worthless heavy metals are also being reported as adulterant. For example, pieces of limestones which are found in asafoetida, which is being used for herbal purpose as such. Addition of synthetic principles, for example, addition of citral to lemon oil. So this is one of the fragrance which is also being used for topical preparation, and there are synthetic substitute available for lemon oil, so they are being used as adulterant for lemon oil as well. Usage of vegetative matter from the same plant, so these vegetative matters are added with a part of the same plant having no medicinal value just to increase the bulk, and increase in the bulk will make more profit margins. Let's sum up. We have summed up number of topics under this module. We have talked about the historical uses of herbs. In ancient times, we have talked about a lot of literature in which usage of herbs is mentioned, and these herbs have been used extensively in number of activities, in hair care products, in skin care products. They are also used in sunscreen and anti-aging preparations. And these herbs, because they are natural and hence they are being regarded safe to be used, and the irritation problem which is associated with synthetic moieties are more problematic as such. In the module also we have talked about the usage of the various types of oils which are being used as a cosmetic base as such. And here we can see number of vitamins also which are being collected naturally of importance in cosmetic products. We have also gone through the number of adulteration which are being adopted by vendors in order to adulterate the herbs which are being provided to industry for formulation as such. And this adulteration is a major cause to maintain quality standards for these cosmetic products in cosmetic industry. Thank you.